Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NCERT Maths with Bardeep. Today we are going to start exercise number 4.3 of chapter 4, that is practical geometry. So let's see our question. Construct the following quadrilateral. First one is MORE, where these details are given. So let's first make a rough sketch of this. Since this is quadrilateral, so we will make one quadrilateral, name it as MORE. One thing, please note down that whenever your name is given, it should be in order. Means you can start from anywhere, but then alphabet should be in the order, like MORE, MORE. You can do like this also, MORE. It should be continuous. Okay, you cannot do like this that M is here, O is here. No. So whenever you start, all alphabets should be in the same order. So now MO is 6 centimeter, OR 4.5, angle M is 60, angle O is 105 degree, angle R is also 105 degree. Okay, so this category is when we have two sides and three angles are given. Okay. So in this type of question, I already explained in my introduction video that we will start with that side which has two angles. Okay. So now MO is also having two angles and OR is also having two angles. So you can start with any one side as base. But since this 6 centimeter is bigger than this 4.5, so I will use MO as base. So we will draw a line MO as 6 centimeter long. So now what should be my next step? See, on M vertex I need angle 60. So as explained in the introduction video, how to make 60 degree angle? Put your compass here, draw one arc of any radius. Okay, with same radius you will keep your compass here and cut the first line. So this angle is 60 degree. So we will extend it further like this, and this is 60 degrees, so we will mention here. Second is 105 degree on O. So on O we will again make one arc. So 105 degrees between 120 and 90 degrees. So first we need to make 90 degree angle. This already explained in the introduction video. Since only required angle should be in bold line, so 90 is for reference, so I have made dotted line for this. So we will bisect 90 and 120, so you will get 105 degrees. So let's extend it further. So this angle is 105 degrees, so you will write here. Now see, from O to R we have 4.5 centimeters. So with your compass and scale, so just measure 4.5 centimeter, keep your vertex here and cut one line. Okay, so this arc is of 4.5 centimeters, so we will mark it here. This vertex is R and distance is 4.5 centimeter. So now see, on R I need 105 degree. So keep your compass here. Let me explain. Keep your compass here, okay, and make an arc on this side. Okay. So when you will do it, it will be something like this. So now we will again make 105 degree, same as we did before. So first 90 degree angle and then bisect it. So something like this. Now see, these two lines are not intersecting, so we will extend it further like this and this, so they will meet somewhere and that vertex will be E. Okay, so this is 105 degree. So we have our quadrilateral MORE, where M is 60, MO is 6 centimeter, this angle O is 105 degree, angle R is also 105 degree and OR is 4.5 centimeter, right? So now let's see our second part. Again quadrilateral plan. in which these dimensions are given. So let's make first rough sketch for this. So P, L, A and N. So PL is 4 centimeter, LA is 6.5 centimeter, angle P is 90, angle A is 110 degree and angle N is 85 degree. Okay, so now what to do? See, 85 and 110 degree we cannot construct with the help of compass, so we will use protractor in this. But the point is, as I have already said here, we will use that line as base which has two angles given to us. But since here this length is given but both angles are not given, for this line also both angles are not given. So what to do in this case? As you already know that sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, and out of 360 three angles are given, so we will add them, subtract it from 360 and you will get your fourth angle. So we will get, first we will calculate our angle L and then we can start with construction. So let's see, angle P plus angle L, A and N is 360 degree, because you can write sum of angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So let's put the values. P is 90, L we need to find, A is 110 and then 85 is equal to 360 degree. So angle L will be 360 minus 110 plus 90 is 200 plus 85 285. So we will subtract it, and when you subtract this from 360 you will get 10 minus 5, so 75 degree. So this angle is 75 degree. So now we will take any line as base. Again, as I have told you, I will take the bigger length. Okay, so 6.5 I will draw here. So draw a line segment of 6.5 centimeter and name it as AL. Okay, because both AL has two angles. Now we know all the four angles, but we will start with that line segment whose length is also known. So A and L. On A this is 110 degree. So for 110 degree we need protractor. So we will keep our protractor here. Okay. And since this side is the line, so we will start reading protractor from this side. This 0 will be taken, so 110 degree is here. Okay, so join this and extend it further. So this will be our 110 degree angle. So mark it here, that is 110 degree. On L we need 75 degree. Okay, so 75 degree. So as already explained in the introduction video, so it should be between 90 and 60 degree. So this is 90. This will be somewhere 75. Okay, so this angle is 75 degree. So now what we should do, see on 75 degree this LP is 4 centimeter. So what we will do, we will open our compass for 4 centimeter radius and then we will make an arc by keeping a needle of your compass here. So let it be that this is your 4 centimeter and point will be P. So this is 4 centimeter. So now what to do? So we have angle P as 90 degree and N as 85 degree. But since we don't know where N lies, so we will stick with this position. On P we need to construct an angle of 90 degree. So this is what we are going to do here. Make an arc and draw an angle of 90 degree. So extend it further, it will meet somewhere on this 110 degree. So this will be your point N. And you can check with your protractor that this angle will be automatically 85 degree. Sorry, this is 90 degree. So this is our quadrilateral for these dimensions. I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to the next one. So let's see the third part. Parallelogram HEAR, and these are the details. So let's make first rough diagram, that is HEAR. HE is 5 centimeter, EA is 6 centimeter. Okay, and one angle is also given, that is 85 degree. So now we will relate this with the properties of parallelogram, that is opposite sides of a parallelogram are of equal length and opposite angles are also equal. So in this case, if this is 85, this will also be 85, and if you want this angle, you can just calculate this angle by subtracting 85 from 180, because co-interior angles are 180 degree, but no need. So we can draw this in this way. So let's draw a line AE of 6 centimeter first. So let's see, this is AE and 6 centimeter, because out of 5 and 6 I prefer with AE. Now I need angle 85 on E. Since again 85 cannot be constructed with the help of compass, so we will use protractor for this. So 85 degree we will draw here. So keep your protractor in this way, and since line is on this side, so we will start reading 0 from this side. So it is 85, I will mark it here, and then extend it. Okay, so this is 85 degree. Now what to do? See, now from E, H point is 5 centimeter long. So what we are going to do is, we will use our scale and compass to measure 5 centimeter distance. Keep your needle on E and then make an arc. So let it be this. So this point will be H, that is 5 centimeters. So we should write in the same direction always. So let it be 5 centimeter. So now opposite sides are of equal length. So if this is 5, definitely this will also be 5. Means this is also 5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. So what I will do is, see, from E to H is 5 centimeter, A to R is also 5 centimeter. So with same radius that you did here, keep your compass here and make one arc. So it will be something like this. Now from this H point, R is also 6 centimeter. So now you will measure your distance 6 centimeter. Keep your compass here and then cut it like this. Okay, so this point will be R. Now join this like this. Okay, so this angle will be, if this is 85, this will also be 85. Since this is 6, so we will mention 6 centimeter here, and this is also 5 centimeter here. So this is our third part. Now let's see the fourth one. Here it is rectangle OKAY. So rectangle's property is each angle is 90 degree and opposite sides are of equal length. So let's make first rough sketch. OKAY. OK is 7 centimeter and KA is 5 centimeter. So since each angle is 90, so we can use any side as base. I prefer this 7 centimeter. If this is 7, this is also 7 and this is also 5 centimeter. So now let's draw one line 7 centimeter long and name it OK. So now we will construct 90 degree angle on both the vertices. Okay. So 90 degree angle is drawn on this side and here also. So now what we will do is, we know that this is 7 and this is 5. So open your compass for 5 centimeter radius like this, and then keep your compass here, cut one line, let it be this. Same is for KA. So this side should also be 5 centimeters. So with same compass, we will keep it here and mark second point. So on this side, this will be Y, and this side it will be A. See how easy it is. So join YA, and this is your rectangle OK. So we will write it 7 centimeter here. This is 5 centimeter. This also 5 centimeter. You should mark your angles also, as this is 90 degree. So means we have used the properties of rectangle and parallelogram while making this construction. Okay. So this is all about this video. See you in my next video with the next exercise of this chapter. Thank you.